Tyler Hill at MarineMax Pompano Beach. We're your local Sea Ray dealer in the Fort Lauderdale area. You're looking at a 2018 Sea Ray 280 SLX. This gorgeous tri-tone gel coat hull color here. Power tower. It's an electric tower. It actually comes down at the push of a button, so you can clear bridges or have better clearance at your marina. Nice integrated sun pad in the back. Not a bolt-on swim platform, integrated swim platform. Speakers in the back for when you're hanging out. This has the upgraded 6.2 liter 350 horsepower Mercury. It's a new motor from them with the Bravo 3 dual prop outdrive. Look at the gorgeous interior on this. Infinity woven vinyl flooring. Lots of space for entertaining. Just so classy. Double wide helm seat. Full instrumentation. Rockford Fosgate stereo system. Mercury DTS controls, stainless steel windshield cap, really nice companion seat here, fully adjustable. Walking to the bow area here, very deep, very good rough water boat. Speakers everywhere, cup holders everywhere. Has an automatic anchoring system as well. Turn around here, give you a little view of full cockpit. Just perfectly laid out. Everything looks like it belongs. Sea Ray does such a good job with these SLXs. Boat has a fresh water system on it as well. And it also has a really nice head and sink in here. It's actually a vacuum flush toilet. Nice stainless steel sink. Well appointed. Again, this is Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach. Come visit us today at our beautiful Sea Ray and Boston Whaler showroom here. 954-783-9555. Have a great day.